Hi everyone, Darko here for a weekly example. Hope you had a great weekend. Let's see, before I show you the best trade so far for the month of July, I know the month of July has just started, but I will show you a smashing trade we had. Before I do so, I want to remind you of the summer opportunity. So make sure that you sign up if you are pleased with the content that we are providing. This is a discounted pricing over summer. So yeah, feel free to join if you so wish. We also have a free version of our service. If you go to forexmentor.com/ccstarter, you can just sign up and watch lots of archived videos, and I have plans to actually add one more this week for you. So make sure that you sign up, and that will be a full PMA version. Okay. If you haven't listened to our podcast yet, make sure that you do so. It's still ranked as most popular on Spotify when you search for Forex. So yeah, thank you Spotify, and thank you all the listeners. Obviously, you guys and girls has made this number one popular podcast, and there's a reason for it. And the reason is within this podcast. Make sure you listen to it. And if you want to follow me on LinkedIn, make sure you do so. I'm active. I haven't been that active lately, maybe for the past 2-3 weeks, but I will continue being super active as I've been like for the past years, and I'm heading up to 10,000 followers, which I'm very thankful for. I just started being active basically, less than 2 years ago, so I'm very thankful for the interest people are showing to my LinkedIn, and I will continue posting motivational stuff, trading related. Sometimes even pending orders, showing you support and resistance on the indices, cryptocurrencies, everything that is tradable. Okay, stocks, both Swedish stocks and US stocks. And obviously, if you want me to do any support and resistance analysis or anything that is tradable, let me know, and I will put that on LinkedIn for you, completely for free. Okay, so I'm looking forward to accept your friend request, or connection request, as they say on LinkedIn. So let's go and dive into our best trade so far for the month of July. And obviously we just hit TP1, and I will also show you the final target for this one. Okay, so let's go through the reasons behind this trade. We always start with the yearly chart. I know many people don't watch the yearly chart. You are missing out. Obviously, if you are long-term trading, if you are scalping, micro scalping or day trading, I would say the yearly chart is not beneficial for you in the same way as it is for long-term trading. Okay, so we have a pin bar on the yearly chart, and I know that this low is lower than this low, but we are due for some correction. Okay, and we had this neckline in here. What I did saw was price were correcting itself slightly, not much, on a monthly chart, and there was a trading opportunity in here that I did miss, but actually one of our members took that trade, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see here, the opportunity was this one in here. Okay, and I missed that opportunity, and I said no worries, if price retraces back, I will find a way to enter that trade, and price did so. Okay, do you see how let me just grab my pen for you, because this is super important. It has to do with structure. That's all we do. Okay, this is what price is doing. Okay, by the time we did this, obviously I missed this one. By the time we did this, we did some structure damage, and I told everyone now we have a swing break at a level that I'm very interested in, and we had this pullback. Okay, we had this pullback, and I said, the entry wasn't here. Okay, the entry wasn't here, and we took that. Obviously, it was some level of support there, so we got filled. Price bounced right up, and the risk was my stop loss was below this level. So if I make this a bit larger, so I will tell you the risk here. I don't know it by heart. The risk was 140, let's say 50, 65, 167, okay, and we hit the first TP for over 300 pips, okay. So, and yeah, price went against us. I think it was like around, I'm not sure, price went against us like by 55 pips, okay, but it never challenged our stop loss. And by the time price made a high, did another structure damage, we double bottomed, okay, and made a higher high, took out this high. There was an opportunity for us to risk reduce, okay. That means going from, let me just grab my pen for you again, going from here to here, okay, and then we felt like ages, and then we got that breakout, okay, and then we ranged another day or so, and then we hit the TP1. Why did we take this as a TP1? Well, this level in here, you have several, this is more like, it's not one neckline, it's more like a level, okay. We are holding these levels in here, holding, but this one is the closest to price, okay. We touched that level. The next, that was TP1. TP2 is here, for obvious reasons. This is more like a swing neckline. Look what this swing did, like we never looked back again, okay. So this can maybe be a losing trade now, so let's see if we hit the second target as well. And yeah, we risk 100 and, let's just say 165, 67 ish, or 167 to be exact, and we hit the first target for 300 pips, okay. So that's good, that's really good. That's almost 2 to 1. If I'm, my math is very bad, but yeah, it's almost 2 to 1. So yeah, so let's hopefully we hit the second target as well. And now, if you are interested in joining the service, now you have a great opportunity to do so with that summer opportunity, just to get a feeling for what we are doing within the paid membership. And if you find this video helpful, make sure that you support this level by hit the like button, and I will do more so for you, okay. So yeah, thank you so much for listening, and I wish you a fantastic trading week, and also at some point weekend. Talk to you soon. Cheers.